Y'all look. We got baby quail from our own eggs. So exciting. Emu eggs.
Alright, here's the ones that were just hatched, quails. We got them set up in this box. Jersey Giants down there. They're fixing to go outside after this cold snaps over. Look how big they're getting. Yep, they were born yesterday. I'm fixing to put 60 more eggs in the incubator. And there's 14 babies in here. Just thought I'd share. I'm headed in to clean the incubator and load it back up now. Well, I figured I'd show y'all. You remember the baby turkeys we hatched out? Well, can't see it. There they are. Getting big. Getting big. Got them in this outside pen. They still got a heat lamp under there, and they're surrounded by greenhouse material on all sides, so they're blocked. And then all the goats are eating some breakfast, huh? We're fixing to feed these two turkeys here. I gotta move the Jersey Giants out too, but here we go. All three of these guys peeing at the same time. He came from over on the other side. They all met right here and all start peeing. That's weird. I ain't never seen that before. And then here is some quail eggs from the past few days. And then we had baby turkey hatch out. We now have 2 baby turkeys. I haven't got any pictures of the second one yet though. It just hatched this morning. And then of the goats. Probably gonna sell the 2 goats, the white and black and the brown and black. Thank y'all for watching. Later.